Hi, my name is Dr. Deepika Ponappa, and I am the co-founder of HealthSat. Welcome to HealthSat. HealthFan is a pediatric center, as you can see, made keeping the child in the center of all treatment processes and procedures. At HealthLand, we want to give children a whole new world of pediatric care. Look at the keynote. It has taken into consideration all essential elements that make a child feel comfortable, whether it is the way it looks, the colors, the way it smells, the fragrance, the way when they peel the set walls, the engagement area, the toys, or whether what they hear is music playing in the background. All of that is in accordance to what a child would like. Healthland is a place for children. This is our reception where patients wait before the appointment, and we had made the waiting time into an engaging time, and that's our engagement area. So we had a neurosensitive board. Trust me, children are really busy. When they stand here, there's plenty to do. There's a small library with books for all ages, as well as a slide for physical activity, and a wall which children create their own small items, small colorings, and display it. And they love it to see it when they come back the next time. All of this reception leads to the different service rooms that we have. Let me take you to the pharmacy. This is the Healthline Pharmacy. And it's not just a pharmacy. It has baby products as well. So while we have all the medicines, drugs, and syrups, we also have toothbrushes meant for children, mosquito patches, band-aids, all designed by children. We partner with several D2C brands and get the opportunity to our parents to touch and feel those D2C brands before they actually go and buy them. They can buy them here as well. We've got healthy food products, we've got nutritional gummies, we've got toys for children, and so on and so forth. Anything that a child would need as far as their health and wellness is concerned is available at the HealthLab Pharmacy. The color in white that you see with the appearing is chosen by keeping the child in mind. So like you saw the pharmacy, bright and pastel, so are our consultation rooms. Come, I'll show. This is our consultation room. In the consultation room, the wards are made interesting so that these are all conversation starters with children. The way the room is designed is the doctor has a comfortable smaller table because we're a paperless clinic. We only use the EMRs, so there is really no need to have big tables, pen, etc. It's absolutely clean platforms. So we have a corner seating, which is very accessible to the doctor, where the primary caregiver, often the mother, and the sick child or the child who needs attention is there. For the second child of the family, because most often than not, a pediatric healthcare visit is a family visit. The entire family comes. The second child can sit on this lavalier chair, and the secondary caregiver, which is usually the father or the grandparent, can sit comfortably. We had consciously kept away from those old consultation rooms. We just had a rectangular table with the doctor on one side, 2 chairs, and 1 rotating steel stool. This is way more interesting and loved by children. Just like vision is important, so is nutrition. After all, food is medicine for children. And that's why at HealthLab, we have a separate department on nutrition, starting from lactation to all the way adolescent nutrition. We have several nutritional packages, we have services like nutritional reviews, a healthy weight management package, a focus on picky eating, and all of this happens in this room, which we call the Nourish Corner. As you can see, for making the child focus on nutrition, the entire room is designed with wallpaper which is specific to food elements. There are all these again, small elements like eggs, books, milk, fruit basket. Again, not only to just tell the child what should be eaten, what is the right direction of nutrition, but also to actually show to them. Because just like schools, we also believe in show and tell. So while there is vision testing, consultation rooms, and there is, a focus on nutrition, but we still need to treat acute illnesses. And a number of times, that is when a child requires labs. Children fear the needle, not so much the test. And to distract them, we had several distraction elements filled across the clinic. This is a room where we do our blood samples. We tied up with some leading labs in the country to provide accurate and evidence-based testing. When the child is sitting on the mother, for us to draw the sample, we ask them to spot the turtles. And there is the turtle on a stretch ceiling in our roof. While the child is looking at this display of lights as well as the busy ceiling with the turtle, in that moment, our pediatric trained staff nurse is able to draw the sample in a single trick. The phlebotomy room and all the other specialty specific rooms, the entire journey begins like any other clinical setup by measurement of vitals. But it's not the boring vital measurement where the nurse and the child are not having any conversation. This room has been created so that the nurse creates a bond with the child and vitals are measured in a fun way. So this is a room with fishes on the walls, full of toys and some superheroes that help our nurses to have an engaging word with the child, and they can use even hand puppets to be able to have a quick conversation with the child saying, "Hi, how are you?" The entire clinic has semicircular, rounded arches. If you can see the corners, there's no sharpness. All of it is rounded to be able to make sure children are safe. All sorts, there are no ledges, all CTs around the corner. There's nothing comes in the way of the child, and it's absolutely safe and spacious. Children love space. Children love the essence of being able to rub wherever they want, and that freedom keeps them happy. Let me take you to the Smile Station. Our Smile Station is our dental room, and it's my favorite room in the clinic. This is the room where we've kept the ceiling the busiest, full of the image of the moon, the clouds, and trust me, we need to do that because the child has to lie down and keep looking up and keep engaged. This helps the child not move while the procedure is going on, stay connected with what's happening around, and at the same time completely forget about the fear of any procedure. Though some procedures do take a long time, and at that point we'll have to put the screen on. This is the only place where we have screen. The screen keeps the child engaged for a much longer time. We usually play their favorite cartoons like Peppa Pig or Cocomelon, and the child is so engaged, they're completely distracted from the articulate work that happens during the procedure. We use this room as a daycare, which means a short stay of a couple of hours. The usual daycare areas that you would have seen in hospitals are actually plain areas separated by curtains with only beds. Which child is going to sit there still? That's why we made this area which has a bed. We also have recliners because, as they know, children don't like to lie down. They're sitting here when the nebulization is going on post and if they need an IV drip or post an immunization, and they can keep moving around, have enough space to while they're waiting, while they're getting treated, but at the same time have place to move around without getting going to the OPD area. They can absolutely be here, enjoy themselves while they're at Healthline. Let me show you the most Instagrammable room at Healthline. Here we go. So this is a small bed specially designed for the immunization of children less than 1 year olds, the infants, and they cannot be distracted by loud music or by showing any screen. So for them, we've kept it very simple. We've made a small bed so that the parent and the nurse can be very close to them, and at the same time created a small display of lights on the ceiling that distracts the child, and while he is bewildered by the lights that he sees, we are able to do our job and give him an injection in a safe and seamless manner. Mental well-being in children is also very important these days because issues related with speech, with growth and development, and that's why at Healthline we have areas dedicated to these services. So there are rooms dedicated to clinical psychologists, speech therapists, and occupational therapists. What I'm showing you here is the room where the entire flooring has been done in a sensory neural material such that when the child does physiotherapy or if the child is a bit aggressive, when the therapies are going on, he's absolutely safe. Children are not little adults. We need health and wellness spaces for children, and that's why HealthPant is making the entire pediatric healthcare for the child in a way they like. That's why children love Healthline.